Hello everybody! Welcome to the Kingdom of Shells here in Asdod, Israel. Beautiful. It's precious. It's precious. Very precious. Beach here in Israel, Asdod. The smell is good. Not smell fishy. Very, very nice. And here the sound of the shell. The sound of the shell is like coins. Come, come. Sabi ko, gusto kong manguha ng maraming shell. Ngayon, natulala na ako kasi God gives.